Hello! Welcome back to the Rainbow Hair Files. I love that every time I come on this channel and talk to you guys, my hair looks like this. And I'm sitting here talking about, different hairstyles and stuff. We're growing it out, so it's a process. Anyway, today's video is going to be all about protective styles. Obviously, if you saw the title of this video, you knew that already. Let's start with the basics, shall we? What is a protective hairstyle? Essentially, it's a hairstyle that protects your hair. It is a hairstyle that you wear for, really, you could wear it for as much time as you want, as long as your hair is not getting like matted and stuff underneath the style. There are so many videos on how to refresh braids and twists and stuff like that without actually like taking the style out and doing it again. I have never tried that on Alethia's hair. I think you just kind of twist the top of the braid. I don't know. There are so many videos. I've never done it, so I can't really say exactly how. I just know it's possible. So yeah, there's definitely ways that you can wear a protective style for, really as long as you want, like I said. But it protects your hair because you're keeping it in the style, so it's keeping it tangle free, so that you go to style it once you take the protective style out, whether it's you're doing a wash and go, or even if you're just washing your hair after you've taken it out, there's like basically no tangles because it's just been sitting. It hasn't, been out and, damaged by wind and all that kind of stuff to where it's gonna get tangled and stuff. So you're not gonna be pulling out a lot of hair when you go to comb through it or do a different style or whatever you're doing, which honestly is probably why I love them so much and why I say they benefited towards Alethia's hair growing as much as it has recently, like in the last couple of years. Because once I started doing more protective styles, yes, I started doing other stuff as well, and I learned a whole lot more in the last 2 years about her hair and how to take care of it. And I know that everything that I've learned has benefited towards her hair growth, but also doing protective styles definitely helped because I look back on videos, and I've said this in several of these videos before as well now, but I look back on doing styles of her hair like 3-4 years ago, where I'd be, going to detangle and I'm just essentially just ripping out her hair. Whereas now, when I do her hair, there's like no tangles and it's beautiful. I'm not pulling a bunch of hairs out. It's just the already dead hairs and stuff that's fallen out that I'm combing out when I detangle it. Does that make sense? I don't know. But yeah, I definitely say that protective styles are great for hair growth. At least for us, it worked. Because you're just letting the hair sit, and because it's sitting and it's not getting tangled, you're not going to be ripping out hair and damaging hair when you go to detangle it after the style or, whatever. So like I said, protective hairstyles are styles that you can wear for really as long as you want to. And on top of the fact that you don't have to switch them up, which makes them so great for like low maintenance people, I guess, or if you prefer low maintenance hairstyles, yes, it takes a long time to actually do them, whether you're getting them done or doing them yourself. I'm just gonna go ahead and salute anybody that braids their own hair, because it takes me a solid hour at the least for like the non-complicated hairstyles that I do on Alethea, but sometimes it takes over an hour, 2 hours to do her hair. I could not imagine braiding my own hair for that long. My arms would be dead by the end of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a shout out because I could not do that. I most certainly could not. But even though doing protective styles take a long time when you're doing them or getting them done or whatever, after that, you really don't have to do anything unless you are refreshing the style because, you have new growth and stuff. And, you maybe do your edges, your baby hairs, whatever. They're really great low maintenance styles because you don't really have to do anything with them. Once they're done, you can just leave them in and wear it for however long, and then all you gotta do is take them out when you're done with them. So I prefer that. I feel like I talked about this a lot in the video I mentioned as far as the wash and go versus leave-in protective styles. What am I saying? You know what I mean. I talked about it in that video because for us, Aletheia, and I feel like it worked a lot better and works currently a lot better to do more protective styles than wash and go styles, because I can do her hair and leave it, and if we go out somewhere, her hair's done, I don't have to worry about it, which it's another subject because I don't really care what her hair looks like, but whatever. But, you know, if we're going out somewhere, then her hair is already done. If we're staying at home, her hair's being protected, so I don't have to worry about, you know, it being tangled and all that kind of stuff. So, I don't know, it just, for us, it works a lot better to do more protective styles, but it's definitely your lifestyle, your hair type, your preference on the different styles. Like, it's up to you which one you go for, but like I said, this video is all about protective styles, so along with them being great low maintenance hairstyles and the fact that you can wear them for a long time, they are so versatile, and that's something that I absolutely love about protective styles, is that there are so many options. You can do braids, you can do twists, you can do just basic cornrows going back, you can do all these different styles with the cornrows, you can braid it into a ponytail or into a bun, or you can do flat twists, which is not my best skill, I have to admit. I don't know why every time I see somebody doing a flat twist, I'm like, oh, that looks really cute, and then when I do it on Alethea's hair, I'm like, where did I go wrong? Because this does not look good at all. But yeah, there are so many different styles. I'll add some pictures right here of the different styles that I've done on Aletheia over the years, just to show how versatile they really can be, which I don't know how many pictures I have, but I'll insert all the ones that I do. So yeah, like I said, you can do so many different styles with them, and not only that, but you can just have your natural hair in the protective style, or you can use feed-in hair, which is something that I've really been enjoying with Aletheia. Even though we don't do it that much, we do have some feed-in hair that we use every now and then. We have a bunch of different colors, and it's just kind of fun because then, you know, she can have pink hair or purple hair or, you know, whatever she wants, and it's a fun way for her to have some color in her hair without damaging it by dyeing it. Obviously, she's only 5. I'm not gonna be dyeing her hair all the time, because why would I?
No, I like dyeing my hair. Like, I'm gonna dye my hair like pink, blue, or gold or purple, because those are my favorite colors.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. That's all my notes on protective hairstyles. As far as what they are, and, you know, why maybe you would want to do them, you know, the benefits of them, stuff like that. I hope that, you know, this kind of helped explain those questions to you, answer those questions for you. Yeah, I hope you like this video, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Goodbye.
Bye.